Hi guys, let's start today's exercise, in which we will get to know about the sounds and their sources. Let's start. The banging of a door, the bubbling of boiling water, the buzzing of the phone, the chattering of teeth, the clattering of horses' hooves, the clicking of heels, the crackling of burning wood, the crashing of broken glass, the creaking of stairs, the crunching of teeth, the dripping of raindrops, the droning of a plane, the flapping of wings, the grinding of teeth, the hissing of escaping steam, the howling of the wind, the humming of an engine, the jingle of coins, the knocking of knees, the moaning of the wind, the patter of tiny feet, the peal of thunder, the plodding of tired feet, the popping of a cork, the purring of a motor engine, the rattling of rain on the window, the ringing of bells, the ringing of the phone, the roaring of a storm, the rustling of leaves, the sighing of the wind, the sizzling of frying bacon, the smacking of lips, the spattering of waves on the rocks, the spluttering of a machine gun, the squeaking of hinges, the swishing of a broom, the thud of a falling body, the ticking of a watch, the tinkling of glass, the whizzing of a bullet,